Hi, welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I'm making tonight ice cream cone cupcakes, and I've already got my batter ready to go, so I'm going to fill the ice cream cones, and I'm going to fill them 3/4 of the way filled with batter, cake batter. So hope you enjoy. So we're just going to go 3/4 of the way. I put it in these containers because it's so much easier than all that mess. See, there you go, 3/4 of the way up. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest, and we'll be back. My grandkids actually helped me put the batter together, so that was really great. And that's something you can do for fun with the kids too. Perfect, 3/4 of the way filled. All right, now that the batter is in the cupcake cones, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. All right, so we're putting it on bake at 350, and we're going to put it in there for 17 minutes. All right, so what we're going to decorate the cupcakes with, the ice cream cone cupcakes, is frosting, and I've chosen cream cheese, vanilla, and some sprinkles. Make it fun, inviting and festive, and everybody will love them, trust me. So it's been a tradition in our family for many years to do the ice cream cone cupcakes for everybody's birthday. So let's say you're having a party on a Saturday, but their birthday is on a Wednesday. We would always, and we still do the ice cream cone cupcakes, and they look so forward to it when they come home or they come home back to visit. They always remember the ice cream cone cupcakes, and it makes things so special. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sneak peek and see if these are ready. Just got a few minutes left to go. Wow, looking great. Look how they rose really pretty, like ice cream cones. All right, so our cupcake ice cream cones are ready, and I'm taking them out of the oven. Now we're gonna let them cool for a good 30 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and ice them in a few minutes. If you go ahead and fill the ice cream cones too much, they will spill over. So it's really simple, real easy fix. Just take a knife, just kind of reshape it. Pretty easy. You're like, how am I gonna frost that with it looking all goofy like that? But there, pretty simple, easy fix. All right, our cupcakes have cooled off and they are ready to frost. Now, you can make it look like an ice cream cone, like so. I give it like a little peek to it. And after we put the frosting on, we'll go ahead and put some sprinkles on it. And then if you like for yourself, you can go ahead and put, some people put cookies in there, and they can put gummies, all kinds of cute stuff. Think how pretty that looks. It is so festive. Looks like an ice cream cone. And it's just frosting and, you know, a boxed cake mix. Look how pretty that is. So go ahead and be creative, enjoy it, and I hope you like this video. If you did like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much.